Information to everybody. My name is Bhavani Singh. I am the director of sales for Palace on Wheels. Primarily, I would like to thank you that you took out some time and you came here and you visited the train. Now, you have seen the train, so with confidence you can tell your guest. This is Palace on Wheels. I'm really sorry, Palace on Wheels. You have seen the Palace on Wheels, so you can tell your guest that what kind of train is it, what kinds of rooms we are having, what kinds of washrooms, everything. So thank you so much. There is a very famous writer. He has written a book, and in that book he has written 1,000 places to visit before you die. Palace on Wheels name is there in that book. So this is Palace on Wheels, and Palace on Wheels got the #1 luxury train award from Condé Nast Travels magazine last year. Many famous people visited this train. It's a wonderful experience. I must tell you, 26 January 1982, this train has started very first time. After the independence, all the Maharajas, Maharanis, Nizams, Viceroys, they were all not able to use their own saloons. Their own saloons, I mean to say, all the kings, they used to have their own bogies, their personalized bogies. So let's imagine one king has to travel from Jaipur to Ahmedabad. So what they used to do, they used to plug their own bogie in the back of the train and then they used to go. After the independence, they were all not able to use their own saloons. So what Rajasthan Tourism has done, they have gathered all those saloons, both them together, made a train, named it Palace on Wheels. So this is the history of Palace on Wheels. This train is actually the royal train, Shahi Rail. इस train को कहते हैं Shahi Rail गाड़ी. This is the royal train. And the very first time when it started, people used to say that Rajasthan Tourism has got a white elephant. Yeah, but after a few months of the great services and the hospitality, we started getting charters. And from that time to this time, this train is running very successfully, and we are having very good business, very good name. And we would like to connect with the domestic tourism. And we are really working hard on this. As yesterday, some ladies from ADTOI, they came here, they visited the train. So corporates, you can pitch this train like